Welcome to Tips and Tricks in Lucidchart. You've learned the basics, now it's time to level up. Ever wonder how experienced users move so fast in Lucidchart? The answer is shortcuts and hacks. In this video, we'll show you how to diagram smarter, keep things clean, and save yourself a ton of clicks. Ready to speed things up? Let's get started. Imagine mapping a 20-step process. You'd waste time dragging shapes onto the canvas one by one. That's where quick diagramming helps. As soon as you drop your first shape onto the board, you'll see little nodes pop up. Click one and Lucid instantly generates the same shape connected with a line. Here, we'll add a few more process shapes in seconds. This way, instead of losing time setting everything up, you're building momentum right away. Here's a tip that saves you a ton of rework. Set your styles before you start building. Imagine you know all of your connectors need to be dotted lines. Instead of drawing them and fixing each one later, just click the blank canvas, go to the Properties bar, and set the line style. Now I'll draw a new line here, and every new line after it will be dotted automatically. One small step up front saves dozens of clicks later. Now let's say you've built a big flowchart and decide to change the look of a few of your shapes. Instead of manually updating each one, use the Paint Format tool. Select the shape with the style you like, click the paintbrush icon, and then select another shape to apply it. It copies the fill, the line color, the thickness, and text formatting instantly. Think of it as copy-paste for styles. It keeps your diagram consistent and saves you a ton of time. Speaking of saving time, you can duplicate your shapes without having to drag them out of the library each time. Just select one shape or lasso a collection of shapes by clicking the canvas and holding your click. Then hold Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows while dragging the shape. Lucid creates a copy right on the canvas. No need to go back to the shape library or copy-paste over and over again. Now, moving shapes is easy with the mouse or arrow keys, but sometimes you need tiny, precise adjustments. To move an object into place, hold Shift and tap the arrow keys to nudge a shape pixel by pixel. It's perfect for getting alignment just right. Next is another design trick. Resizing shapes and logos can distort them, and stretched logos or shapes don't look as professional. Proportional scaling keeps your design balanced. To keep proportions consistent, select the shape and while holding the Shift key, drag out a node and the shape scales smoothly without losing its original shape. If you've created shapes unique to your organization, like a specific department icon or template with branded elements, you don't have to spend time recreating them every time because you have custom shape libraries. From your Shapes panel, open More Shapes. Click the plus sign next to My Libraries. Rename your library here. Then click Here. Now look in your Shapes panel. You may have to scroll down, and your custom shape library is ready. From here, you can click and drag additional shapes into the library. And if you go back to My Libraries, you can share this set of shapes with your team. For teams that rely on branded icons or specialized shapes, a consistent custom shape library ensures that everything looks unified across documents. And last but not least, my personal favorite, the fastest way to open a new Lucidchart document. If you're logged into Lucid, just type lucidchart.new into your browser's address bar, and just like that, you're ready to start implementing the tips you just learned in a brand new document. So there you go, quick tips to make diagramming smoother, faster, and clearer. With these shortcuts, you'll spend less time fixing shapes and more time creating diagrams that accelerate your work.